I guess we're gonna make a video. I got a thing. Yeah, I got a thing in the mail. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna look at it and then we're gonna look at it. I'm gonna do that. But first, but first, I need to clean this mess up. Not this, this over here. I need to clean that up. Cool, much better. And yeah, let's open this thing up and I'll show you what it is. Yeah, kids, don't try this at home. It's definitely the wrong tool for. Actually, I think now it's the right tool for the job. It's fucking glue. God. Thanks, UPS. Huh. You had to reconstitute a bag. Okay. So we got our cells here. It's supposed to be an RX 580 4 gig variant for an HP system. I bought it off of eBay for the wallet sinking price of $15. Yeah, well, it was 30 with tax, but still. Or not tax. It was 30 with shipping. And, let's this thing, come on, let's get close. Let's look at this. Because so far, I already see some shit. Is this right here, that capacitor, and what the fuck happened here? Like it looks like that. Look at that. Is that? Hey, stop that! Come on, focus. Focus. Oh, look at that shit. Can you see it? And then there's like some kind of ringworm happening here. I don't know what the hell that's all about. Dude, should we open this up? Ooh, sniff test. Oh man. It does smell kind of electrical here. Ooh, look, it's got a 6-pin. Huh, well, Yeah, there you are. All right. This thing. Not I fix it. Huh. Sure. Fucking with the brightness. It's one of. I guess I can't zoom. Oh well. Post production. So I got it open. And it seems like there wasn't very good contact with the GPU. Okay, well, you know what, that makes sense. There's also a sign there that says hot coffee, so I guess that's where that comes from. So I got my Arctic. Where is it? I got my Arctic MX4. Maybe this will be good. It might be a little too much. Oh shit. Just what have I done? A thing I can use to split around. Let's see. Let's see if this works. No, that's not gonna work. It's not precise enough. Look what I did. I get all over here and stuff now. It looks all milky and stuff too. I don't know if I trust it. too. Pretty thin. Okay. If you're wondering, hey, it's a paintbrush in a Ziploc bag. I don't know, should have just used my finger. Bad enough. I think this is gonna work. This should be just fine. It's like a whole lot and probably way too much. I'll even wind up. Nah. I'm just gonna fire it up after this. So check it out. This is bastard rig number 1 here. It's an HP from like 2003, right? But we've got some little upgrades in this shit. You know, 600 watt power supply, which is definitely more than enough for this piece of shit. And then we've got a very, very dusty AMD 5700G in this thing. Man, on top of a 520 or an A520 motherboard with 16 gigs of Corsair, 3600 mega transfer. Now, there's definitely an SSD back here, and then properly mounted hard drive right there. And so we definitely got our 6-pin ready to go. Just need to hook it up. Yeah, that was quick. Hold on a second. Hey, check it out. We got a screw too. Get off of it. Get. I got the wrong style screw here. I want to put it in this odd, awkward hole. Let's see, or do it. What the fuck? Why aren't you lining up? God dang it! Am I doing something wrong? It's like, of course I am. I'm trying to put this shit and that shit. Oh my goodness! I hope I didn't. Come on now. All right. I guess I'm weird. What the hell? Okay. You know what? We're gonna put this screw back where I found it. It's gonna keep that up from sagging, you know? Yeah, see? It'll have all the weight in that direction. If it pulls on it, then I guess we're fine. This thing's funny. Old compact Presario, made by HP from 2003. It's got, you know, firewire. Not really, but it's there. It says it does, but it's not there. Oh yeah, this thing does have, I think, a Blu-ray player in it. It's dope. It's cool. I like it. So, all right. Just in case. Step 1. Ooh, better idea. Oh shit. No signal. Guess who did that? Holy shit, it works. $15. Still smells good. All right. Yo. Sick. All right, what is it? You didn't see that. Where are you? Dude. It works.